Hello everyone. Welcome to the episode 4 of Mastering Grafana Report Automation with Skedler. In our today's video, I will show you how you can export your Grafana Open Source dashboard as an Excel report. For the demonstration, I have prepared a dashboard that I send to my client on daily basis as an Excel report. Let me quickly show you the dashboard. So my dashboard has two panels. One is a chart and another is a tabular data, which collects information from my Prometheus database, and that is put inside Grafana, and then my dashboard looks like this. So in order to export this dashboard as an Excel and share it with my client on a daily basis, I use the tool called Skedler. Let me quickly switch to the tool to show you how it's done. So in order to create your first report from Skedler, your Grafana must be connected with Skedler, which could be done inside the data source section. If you are new to the series and want to learn how to connect your Grafana with Skedler, you can watch the episode 2 of the same series. I'll start by creating a report, which could be done by clicking on the Create Report button, which is present on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the button and choose Tabular Report because here our use case is to send an Excel report. So Tabular Report is about Excel and CSV, whereas Visual Report is if you want a PDF of your report or an HTML inline as a report. So we'll choose Tabular Report, which is more relevant to this particular use case. We recommend to start by giving a name to this report. So this is a Prometheus daily report. We just give it a name. And then we choose the data source, which is Graph Skedler, and this particular dashboard resides within my main organization. And then I quickly search for my dashboard, which is the long table dashboard. So once I've given the path of my dashboard inside Grafana, I can choose to design this dashboard by clicking on the next button. So as you already saw in my Grafana dashboard, it has two panels called Prometheus Series and Prometheus Info. So if you want to show both of them inside your report, you can just select all and export them to the right hand side. So when you export them to the right hand side, it means that both of these could be the information around both of these panels should be contained in the report. But if you want to show any one of these panels, then you can select one of them, and then you can choose a format type of the file, and then you can also use the dashboard window. So if for operational purposes your team keeps on changing the Grafana time window, sometime lasts 6 hours, sometime lasts 24 hours, but you want the report of last 24 hours to be very consistent, you can just toggle this to no and choose a time range. In our case, I am going for last 24 hours since it's a daily report. Once I have done the setup part, I can move to the schedule. So since it's a daily report, I will choose the recurrence type as daily, and my client wants to see this report early in the morning when he starts working, so I make it 10 a.m. and he wants to see it every day, so I go for 1. That means every single day at 10 a.m. he wants that report. And they don't work on Saturday and Sunday, so I just put Saturday and Sunday as a holiday and quickly save the schedule. Once your report and schedule are in place, all left is to do is distribute. So you can distribute the report by 3 different medium. One is through email, and then through Slack, or you can host these reports on your platform or website through S3 buckets. So we will learn more about how to configure and set up these notification channels in detail in our upcoming videos. But for now, I just mark this report as done, and I will quickly click on the Generate Now button to show you how the generated copy of a report look like. So my report is being generated. Now I can just download it. So either I can click on this Excel and CSV option, or I can use these 3 dot icon to download, pause, or manage schedule and share this report with my another Skedler users within my organizations. So I'll quickly show you how our downloaded copy look like. So first, the information of my Prometheus series dashboard, and in the second tab there is an information of my Prometheus info panel, which was present as the tabular data. So irrespective of how big your data is, Skedler would support up to 100,000 rows. And I'll tell you what's the relevance of the schedule. So it's a one-time setup of the reports, and then it's all automated. So in this case, every day at 10 a.m. in the morning, Skedler will generate a fresh copy of this report, which means it will put the freshest data in the report and send it out to the person who were configured in the distribute section. Stay tuned for the next videos where we will discuss how to configure our notification channels. And till then, thank you for watching.